Hello again. In this video, I'd like to go over the technique of Kapalbhati. It is a pranayama technique, and if you want to know a little bit more about pranayama and other bit more beginner techniques, go back in my channel and have a look at those videos. Kapalbhati Pranayama, the skull shining breath. This breath is an ancient technique of the yogis and yoginis. It's a little bit of a more advanced technique, so certainly see your yoga teacher or yoga therapist about this. Check if it's right for you. But with this technique, we're able to actually cause a change in our blood pH by the more forceful exhalation, which causes a more alkaline state of your body. Now, more alkaline state means less inflammation. There's also other factors here involving nitric oxide to your brain, which has very positive effects. You might first want to start with placing your hand on your belly and feel how as you inhale, that belly swells. And then as you exhale, the belly draws in. That's the normal physiological breathing. The diaphragm descends and the belly swells. So this is simply a more exaggerated version of that. So, spine nice and tall. You could have one hand on your belly and even take one hand over your chest. Now this hand, we're not really wanting too much movement under this hand. We're wanting all the movement to happen under the bottom hand. And that in itself can take some time. So breathing in, feeling the belly swell. And breathing out, we breathe out with a short, sharp. Let the belly just recoil naturally. And exhale. You can see I'm not doing that or moving my shoulders. And again, this takes a little bit of practice. Let's try it as a technique, and we'll start very slowly. If you feel lightheaded or you're not comfortable with this, then please always stop. Pranayama is to be done in ranges of comfort. Effort, but without excessive strain. So sitting tall, taking a deep breath in, eye gaze is inward toward the third eye space. Last one, and relax. Okay, we'll try another round, and I'm just going to demonstrate a little bit faster. So I'm going to practice 20 seconds, and then you can join in with me or simply just watch the technique. So taking a breath in, full breath out. Pause and notice. So it's a more vigorous breath technique, as you can see and experience. You might feel, as the deep core set muscles are being used with this technique, that you might feel a little bit of muscle activity in your low back. That's completely normal. And it is definitely a technique to be done on more of an empty stomach. It's an invigorating technique, so best done more in the morning or maybe lunchtime, or if you're feeling a little bit of fatigue during the day, but not so much at night. skull shining breath, cleansing the mind, detoxifying the body, changing the pH of our body, stimulating Manipura chakra, and bringing us into a state of clarity with Kapalbhati Pranayama. See you again.